Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Merchant Center for shopping ads in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Merchant Center website. Click on the Get Started button. If you already have a Google account, sign in with your credentials. If not, create a new Google account by clicking on Create Account. Fill in your personal details and follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. Once signed in, read and accept the Merchant Center Terms of Service. You will be directed to the Merchant Center Setup page. Choose your business country as the United States. Next, enter your business information, including the business name and website URL. Select your target customer country, confirming the United States. Click on Continue to move to the next step. You will now need to verify your website. Select a verification method, such as adding an HTML tag or uploading a file. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen verification method. After verifying your website, return to the Merchant Center dashboard. Navigate to the Products section on the left sidebar. Click on Feed to create your product feed. Choose Product Feed and follow the prompts to set up your feed type. You can manually upload your product information or use a scheduled fetch. If manually uploading, prepare a CSV, TSV, or XML file containing your product details. For scheduled fetch, provide the URL of your file and set the update frequency. Once your feed is set up, upload or link to your product data file. After uploading, check for any errors in the data. Ensure that your product information complies with Google's policies. Go back to the Products section to ensure your items are visible. Now navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Under Business Information, review and complete the required fields. Include your business address, phone number, and tax information as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.